You can sharpen an image using camera raw filter, but another way is to use a high pass. So take your layer, duplicate it, and then convert to a smart object so you can edit it later if you wanted to. Then you go to filter, other, and high pass. This will bring up a dialog box. In here I usually put around 2 pixels, but you can experiment with how many pixels you want to use. From there, click OK, and you'll be left with like an ugly grey image. But if you change the blending mode to overlay, you should be left with a higher quality image. So if you flick between having that overlay layer on and off, you should be able to see the difference in between the two images. But yeah, you don't have to keep it 100% opacity. You can move it up and down, see if it works better if you adjust the opacity.